In other news, President Benigno Aquino III joins administration candidates Mar Rojas and Leni Robredo in a visit to Tarlac to campaign for the continuity of Daang Matuwid in 2016. Nel Mariboc tells us why.
President Benigno Aquino III visited his hometown Tarlac yesterday together with Liberal Party standard-bearer Mar Rojas and his tandem Leni Robredo. In his speech, the president bragged on the reforms that were accomplished under the administration's Daang Matuwid campaign, citing the infrastructure projects that help boost the country's economy. He also mentioned certain projects that his administration intends to focus on in the remaining 8 months of his term. These include the construction of the expressway that would connect Tarlac to Nueva Ecija, upgrade of sewerage and septic systems in Metro Manila, the completion of all flood control projects, and the beautification of the Pura-Gimba Road leading to Cagayan Valley.
Sa ating pagtutulungan sa Daang Matuwid, talaga naman pong malayo na ang ating narating. Napakalawak na saklaw ng positibong pagbabago na kayo, ang aking mga boss, ang gumawa at patuloy na gumagawa. Sa larangan man na ekonomiya, edukasyon, kalusugan, turismo, infrastruktura at serbisyong panlipunan. Sinisiguro natin sa pag-unlad walang maiiwan.
In line with the elections, the President made mention of the principle of separation of church and state that had become controversial because of the cases facing the Iglesia ni Cristo.
Kaakibat ng kalayaan sa pananampalataya, wala rin dapat hiningang reliyon ng Estado.
The President also hit against his detractors by jesting.
Minsan sumunod sa akin, ang sabi po niya, and I quote, "Thank you for taking on a job that no one in his right mind would accept." Noong una ko nabasa, sabi ko, pag tinawag yan ako si Raul dito. Pero talaga naman, pag tinaanan nyo ito, magtataka na kayo, bakit ba napakarami nagnanais palitan ako sa pwesto? Mga 130 ho yata sila.
Nel Mariboc reporting for Y News.